Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In today's video, we are going to understand a very important topic, degree of comparison. This is a vast topic, so step by step we will understand this topic. Here, three types of sentences are there in degree of comparison. So, in first type, in this video we are going to understand the first type. In first type, two things are compared with each other, either negatively or positively. Let us see one example. Type 1. Smita is older than Deepa. Here the second form means old, older and oldest. Second form of adjective shows the comparative degree. Thereafter, after the second form of adjective we use than. So older than Deepa. Here Deepa and Smita, these two people are there, they are compared with each other. So in type 1 this thing happens. Two things are compared with each other. Now its positive degree will be Deepa is not as old as Smita. Here this object became subject. Thereafter the helping verb as it is. Thereafter not we are taking. After that as and in between as we are taking the positive degree of first degree of the adjective, given adjective. And at last we take Smita as the object. This is how we convert into positive degree. See, the given sentence is affirmative, means here not is not there. So we have to use not in the positive degree. If not is given, we have to remove not. Here we don't use not. So this thing we have to remember. More detail we will see formula wise. Let us see rules for change of degree, positive to comparative degree. If the sentence in positive degree is as follows, see the first type. If the sentence has as structure and positive degree of the adjective, subject plus helping verb plus as, positive degree of adjective plus as, plus noun or pronoun at last, or adjective object. This sentence is affirmative pattern, means there is absence of negative word not. Or if the negative type of sentence is there, subject plus helping verb plus not plus so oblique as. This so we use if the sentence has not. Positive degree sentence has not, then only we can use this so. Thereafter positive degree, thereafter as, thereafter objective or noun pronoun. So here negative sentence, if any positive or negative sentence is there, how to convert that? Example, Sumit is as clever as Sagar. Sumit is as clever as Sagar. Here as is there and before that not is not there. So this is a positive sentence in degree, positive degree. And here Sumit is not as clever as Sagar. Here not is present. These both the sentences, you don't confuse them. These both the sentences have different meaning, opposite meaning. Here it is telling Sumit Sagar jitna hi hushar hai. Here sentence is saying Sumit Sagar jitna hushar nahi hai. So these are telling different things. One is positive, one is negative. But when you change the degree, meaning does not change like this. Its meaning remains same. How, that we will see. Steps to change. If such sentences come in positive degree, means as or so as, so that time how to change them into comparative degree, that we are going to see steps. These formulas you have to write, and these steps you just remember, no need to write these steps. First, positive degree object becomes subject in comparative degree. Use appropriate form of helping verb according to the subject. Affirmative becomes negative and negative becomes affirmative. Remove so as. Adjective of positive degree will be changed into adjective of comparative degree, means form smart, smarter, smartest. So Here these degrees will change. Use than after it, means after the adjective. Since the comparison is between two things, we have to use than. Okay. The subject of comparative degree be written at the place of object as it is. Now let us see the examples. Example: Sita is as tall as Radha. This sentence is in positive degree. Now here I have given this subject, verb, adjective of positive degree and object. Now its comparative degree, Radha is not taller than Sita. Here not is not present, so not we have taken here. What the sentence is telling, you understand the meaning. Sita is as tall as Radha. Sita Radha जितनी ही ऊंची है. Then when we convert it into comparative degree, what does the sentence says? राधा सीता से ज्यादा ऊंची नहीं है. मीन्स वो भी राधा और सीता दोनों की ऊंचाई समान है. The height of Radha and Sita is same, not less, not more. So in the first sentence we are telling that height of Radha and Sita is same. In the second sentence we are telling that Radha is not taller than Sita. Means Radha is equal, her height is equal to Sita. So both the sentences are telling the same meaning. Okay. So many times students confuse and they change the meaning of the sentence. It does not happen in degree. Actually, here we can see the form of sentence changes, but the meaning does not change. Now, if the comparative to positive we are doing, if comparative sentence is given to you, means if than sentences are given to you, how to change them? If the sentence is in as follows, see, noun or pronoun plus helping verb plus comparative degree adjective, er or more will be used here, thereafter than, thereafter object, noun or pronoun. Here one I have written, here two I have written for making you understand more clearly. This is affirmative type, and in negative type just not will be placed before the adjective. So example, Mumbai is bigger than Nanded. Mumbai is bigger than Nanded. Here er form of the adjective is there. Now Mumbai is not bigger than Nanded. Here er form of adjective is there and not is used here. This is a negative sentence, this is a positive sentence. Affirmative means positive, in which not is not there. Now steps how to change it. Comparative object part after coming than will be written at the place of positive degree. Means this object will become subject. Use appropriate form of verb according to subject. Affirmative becomes negative, negative becomes affirmative. Comparative adjective will be changed into positive adjective and placed between as or so as. So will be used with a negative sentence. Okay, remove than. Then comparative subject will be placed at the place of the object in positive degree as it is. Now let us see. This is the formula for that. Noun or pronoun to means that object became subject here, and thereafter helping verb not, as or so depending upon the sentence, thereafter adjective plus as this adjective will be in the first form means positive degree, thereafter noun or pronoun one means the subject which was the subject now became object. If a positive sentence, given sentence is positive, such as this, Mumbai is bigger than Nanded. So here not will be used. If given sentence is negative, like this, not we have to remove and it will become like this. Just here we have removed not. Now example, Raj is taller than Kamal. This is a affirmative type sentence. Kamal is not so or as, anyone you have to use. Here I am using so. Kamal is not so tall as Raj. This is positive degree. This taller became tall. This you can see. Second example, Mumbai is not bigger than Hyderabad. Now upside sentence, this is how will be its affirmative degree, sorry, positive degree. Hyderabad is as big as Mumbai. Hyderabad is as big as Mumbai. Mumbai is not bigger than Hyderabad. You can see here is means the tense we are not changing here. Other changes we are not doing any other changes. Just what we are doing first, we are swapping the subject and the object. Thereafter we are using helping verb according to the subject, whatever will be the subject. Thereafter we are using the positive degree as or so as depending upon the negative positive sentence. Thereafter we are using the positive degree form, first form of the adjective, thereafter the object. So this is how we have to change the degree. This we have seen about type 1 means if the comparison is between two objects, only two objects. In the next video we will see further two types, means if comparison is between more than two types. Now here I am giving you exercise to solve. This exercise you have to solve in the notebook. If you have any doubt you can ask anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.